This is a video guide on how to transfer your domain to HostEasy. Click the login button in the top right corner. If you are a new customer, click the register button and proceed. If you are an existing customer, enter your login credentials and proceed. In the top menu, click on Domain and Domain Transfer. Enter the domain name with its extension and the authorization code provided by your current registrar. If you need both domain and hosting, click the Domain Hosting Combo button. Otherwise, click Domain Transfer only. Review the details and click the Proceed button. To enable privacy protection, just check the privacy protection box and proceed with the order. Select your order and proceed to payment. You will be redirected to the payment page. The process takes 7 days. Contact your current registrar to verify if the domain name is unlocked.